Welcome to Timelines, WorldBook's chronological database of over 650 pre-made timelines with over 14,000 individual events. With Timelines, you can view pre-created timelines across 8 categories. Once in a timeline, use the arrows to navigate, zoom in and out, and click on Events to view more information about them. Log into your My WorldBook account to edit these timelines, color code events, add notes, add images, and more. You can also search the library of over 14,000 individual events to add more events to the timeline, or you can create your own event from scratch. You can save your work within timelines, and you can even save timelines to your My Research projects. Share your timeline with Google Classroom, or switch the view to see the timeline in table format, ideal for printing out. Back on the home page, find timelines you've saved or created in My Timelines. You can open them back up to see your edits and personalization. You can also create a timeline from scratch. Simply choose a background, give your timeline a title, and create. Again, you can search the database of over 14,000 individual events, or create your own events. You can get creative here. Make a timeline scrapbook of your life, create a timeline biography, or record current events. The options for timelines are truly endless.